let's move to behavior here a little
Yep.
bit, and let's talk about how we actually do this. So again, we're kind of maybe talking on two or three different levels here. I'll let you pick where you start. There's the behavior of how often we reinforce this concept of finding pain with our team, and then how often are they actually doing these behaviors? Are you checking in with them in these calls? Let's start with the training process and kind of how you hold people accountable with finding pain. What does that look like in your world?
So I've worked with some great Sandler trainers. I let them train and do the teaching of the concept. How I reinforce it is basically it becomes part of our conversation. It becomes part of our language. So when we do forecasting, there's a column dedicated to levels of pain that we've
Mm,
uncovered. I do video coaching as well, where we'll watch a Zoom together, a recorded Zoom together, and I'll highlight to them, here's where you could have got to L2 or L3. Oh, you did great getting there. Pain in the future. And help them understand pain in the future. Or sorry, gain in the future. Sorry, pain in the future is great. I like that one almost as much as I like pain in the present. But gain in the future, I want them to understand because, again, I've been victim of this a lot where I did the pain funnel. I was like, yes, I got it, got L3. And when I step back and look at it historically, it was gain in the future. And that explained to me why I chased that deal for around. That explained to me why we didn't get the result that we expected and stuff of the nature. So these are things that I'm doing on a regular occurrence. So once a week, we do with the team, we watch videos with them and we go through this. This was actually a concept kicked off by an individual who's doing sales enablement with us, and that is Nana at our company. And she led this charge, and it was a great eye opener. And ultimately, now this is part of our DNA. We once a week we sit there and we're coaching on this, and that's where I'm really focused on with the team because the rest of the techniques in Sandler fall short unless you master this part. And I've seen it enough times where you get somebody in and like they lean in and they're doing it, and then they move on to the next technique and they get more excited about the advanced ones, but they never mastered understanding how to uncover pain.
if you got a motivated buyer, your life as a seller is a lot easier, just in general for everything, right?